Hello, Kimberly.
Well, hi there.
I see you. Merry Christmas to you too. Hey, everybody say hi to the camera.
Where are we going, you guys?
Where are we going?
Sacramento.
Sacramento.
What are we going to do in Sacramento? We're going to go shopping? We're going shopping.
Hi again.
You're going to have to help me to orange.
They're so funny. Oh my gosh, you just see what McDonald's will do to them?
Every single time.
Hey Logan, what do you think we should give your grandma? What do you give grandma for Christmas? You don't know. It's a secret. Okay, got it.
It's going to rain, you guys. It's starting to rain.